I've seen other competitors' products when they get done, and seen some of their finished work, and we take it to the extra mile, knowing that something's gonna be well done, and the time that we put into and the effort that we put into with our team, and seeing a finished product is just the best part actually of my day. Especially seeing an airplane like it is now, and when we get done with it, and the paint scheme is on, and the gloss of the colors on there, that just, and then we see the airplane take off. That's the best part right there. Hey, good afternoon. How are you doing today? Here at Aircrafters, we're located in Sebastian.
So one of the things I noticed, even though it's a small shop, they are very organized. On all the shelves, they have the tail number with all the pieces. Mike Zulu's up top up here. We brought over some new wheel pants, so the plane will be getting a full set of new wheel pants on it. Back over here is all of our control surfaces. These were all replaced during the repairs, so they don't need to be stripped, but they will be obviously primed and painted and put on, but they're being stored over here while they're finishing it up. See behind here, they have some other various pieces they're working on for other shops.